In front of me is iPad Pro 13 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app called Voice Memos and tapping on Continue. Now to start recording, use this red button at the bottom left corner. As you can see, recording is on. To rename it, click on a new recording at the top and type in whatever you want to. If you want to pause it or unpause it, use this button on the left. To listen to it right away, click on play button. And even skip your recording 15 seconds each way if you want to. To end it and save it though, hit done at the bottom right corner. If you want to undo some changes you made, hit undo at the top left corner before hitting done. And even tap on those little icons at the top right corner to manage one of those options instantly. Then hit save at the bottom right corner and done also at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my recording is here. To play it, click on it and use play button. To make some changes after it's already done, use those options at the top right corner. Then click done one more time. If you want to get rid of your recording, simply hit edit at the top right corner of this little section. Tap on the chosen one. Use bin icon and tap on OK in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!